In today's video, I will show you how to add page numbers in Microsoft Word document. First of all, open your Microsoft Word document. Make sure your document already has some pages so you can clearly see the page numbers. Okay. Now look at the top menu bar. Click on the Insert button. Here you will see different options. You have to click on the page number. So these options will show, for example, if you want the page number at the bottom of the page, you will click on this. This will add in the bottom of the page. Okay, so I will choose this one. Okay, check. My first page is this hello. This bottom of the page numbering start from 1 and second page is 2 and third page is 3. Okay, so now you will click on this. Okay, page numbers has been added. Okay, now if you want page numbering start from different number, for example we don't want to start it from 1, then what will we do? Insert, click on the page number and select format page numbers. Now choose start at, for example we want to start from 2. For example we want to start from 2. Click OK and your first page numbering will be start from 2. Okay, see, this is my first page and this is start from 2 and second is 3 and third one is 4. So this is how you can easily add page numbers. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video.